Salmon Bites. This was requested by someone in the comment. They need diabetic weight loss meal. So I'm making diabetic weight loss meal, and I'm making 10. There is one on the channel before, so I have 9 more to go, and this is one of them. And these are the seasons I use for diabetic meal: cinnamon, cayenne pepper, ground black pepper, and a little all-purpose season. This is bell peppers, assorted bell peppers, onion, peas, and this is the salmon, Scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. Finally, chop your garlic, and this is Scotch bonnet pepper. If you want to use the whole Scotch bonnet pepper, it's okay. I'm just gonna use a half. And I'm chopping up the garlic, and the garlic is very good for your health. Garlic is like antibiotic, very good for you, good for your immune system, very good for you. So I'm finished chopping the garlic, and I'm gonna move on to the bell peppers. So we're gonna slice the bell peppers fine. Oh yeah, bell peppers have a lot of vitamin.
Good for immune system.
Oh yeah, very good for your immune system. Right now I have to go do me some garlic and honey because I'm having a cold. Because in the apartment here, it's very cold sometimes, because no matter how you have a heater, it's cold. So I have a cold now, so I have to go treat it with some garlic, some honey. What else, Jet?
Yeah, this bell pepper is good.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna make
garlic. Garlic is good.
No, I'm gonna blend up the garlic with lemon. Garlic and lemon and honey, and I'm gonna drink it tonight. For my cold, I'm having a cold.
And you also take Life Everlasting, good for cold.
Oh, and I'm gonna take some Cersei.
Cersei is good too.
Cersei is good for cold. So you know, natural remedy. Yeah, good for cold. So I'm gonna make that right after this one, and I'm gonna put that one on Eat Good TV Healthy Meals. So I'm gonna put my remedy over there. So I'm making two recipe. Yeah. So I'm gonna strip the salmon. Yeah, I'm gonna just take the skin off. I like to use everything. I don't waste anything. Yeah. So we cut up a half, just right?
Yeah, half. Just a small piece.
A small piece.
Cut a small piece.
Remember, we have cayenne.
Yeah.
And cayenne is to keep the diabetic blood flowing, and this pepper to keep it flow. Anything pepper, keep the blood flowing, and you need the blood to flow so we don't have any amputation or any, any type of gangrene in your toes or whatever. And make sure as diabetic you exercise every day. Even if you're on the couch and you can't move, just put your, you can move around, like to run around and exercise. Make sure when you're watching TV, you move your hand, lift the camera up. You move your hand in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. You do it like 10 times. Or if you can do it 20 times, you do it 20 times. And up, down, up, down, up, down. And then you move your legs. Like in the couch, you move your legs up and down. And you do that and you exercise right through the day watching the TV.
Okay, you mean like walk in place or run in place? Or...
No, you sit in the couch.
Yeah, I mean, when you lift your leg, you walk
Oh,
in
yeah,
place.
when you lift your leg, you walk in place. You walk in place. You just lift your leg in the couch. do it like 20 times. If you can do it more, you do it more. But you start at 10, you go to 20, you go, 30, then you keep moving.
Yeah.
And you just move.
Just keep improving.
Keep improving, right.
After a while, you be walking fast.
Right.
Maybe running or something like that.
Yeah, but you just exercise in the couch. You don't have to, you're watching TV, you just exercise. That's what I do. I'm watching TV, you just exercise in the couch. If you can't even lift your arm up high, you just lift it at a pace where you can lift your arm. You understand? Yeah. Because with diabetes, you have to try to move and exercise.
Yeah, exercise.
So the blood can circulate and flow.
And you burn up some of that sugar out of your blood.
Right, and you burn up some of the sugar out of your blood, right?
Yeah. Okay.
But you need to exercise. And a lot of men don't want to take the doctor pill and stuff like that, because a lot of men say it, it make them can't have sex anymore, make them become impotent.
Yeah.
So,
ED.
Right, it make them become impotent. So some of them don't want to take the doctor's medication. Yeah. But I recommend that you take the doctor medication and take other things with it, like your garlic or cayenne pepper or whatever you want to take with it, like natural stuff.
Yeah, you do the right thing.
And eat healthy.
Eat healthy.
And if you eat healthy, that wood will work. Some people call it wood, whatever you want to call it. Dick, wood, penis, whatever you want to call it. It will work. I'm telling you, as long as you eat healthy, it will work. Eat healthy, take your metformin. I'm in the health field for so long. Take your metformin, take whatever natural with the metformin and eat healthy, and it will work. It will be standing up.
And exercise.
And exercise.
Yeah.
Yes. And lose the belly.
Yeah, lose weight.
The belly,
make weight.
Sure you lose that, what you call it, beer belly.
Yeah.
And it will work.
Yeah.
Yes. All right?
Yes.
Yes, so it will work. So I'm making this meal now. Let me continue with the meal. Okay. I'm gonna season up the salmon now. You're just gonna put in your garlic. And I'm gonna put the onion in. I'm not gonna put the bell pepper till it almost cook. I'm in the health field for years, so as diabetic, make sure do not go to bed with low blood sugar. Don't go to bed with low blood sugar, because you'll go to sleep and don't wake up. A lot of people go to sleep and they never wake up with low blood sugar.
What was that you put in?
Oh, this is cinnamon. I just put the cinnamon in because cinnamon is good for sugar.
Okay.
And this is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is good for circulation. And as diabetic, you need circulation. So what I was saying, never go to bed with low blood sugar. Make sure you have some kind of, I think I heard that they make some kind of sweet tablet now or something for you to take. But many years ago they used to take what do you think name, just Lifesaver?
Oh, Lifesavers, yeah.
Yeah, Lifesavers. 4 Lifesavers before you go to bed. If you check your blood sugar and it's low, make sure you have 4 Lifesaver, and you just suck those and then you go to your bed. Alright, and always tell your family you're diabetic so they check on you. If you're lying in the room, they'll check on you at all time, and if your sugar go low, then they will give you some orange juice. Just let them know. Give me some orange juice or a little, Lifesaver. Keep something in the house. Lifesaver, orange juice, sugar, a little sugar. So they can just put it under your tongue and revive your back.
But
if you just lie down and sleep, you will just sleep away if you go to bed with low sugar. I know a few people die that way. They just go to bed with low sugar and they pass away. They just sleep away. Yeah.
Oh, that cayenne pepper is just like black pepper.
Oh yeah, cayenne pepper is like black pepper. But it's good for you, you know. And you know, they have cayenne capsule in the store. Like in GNC, you buy it and you take it. It's
circulation.
It's like 2,000 units or something for circulation, yeah. And you need that for circulation. Diabetic need it for circulation. I'm not a doctor now, but I work in the health field for a while. But I'm not a doctor. But I work in the health field. That's where the nurses do and the doctor do. So, yeah.
So what you gonna do with the sweet peas?
Oh, I'm gonna cook the sweet peas.
Oh, later on. Okay.
I'm gonna cook the sweet peas. So we have our sweet peas, we have our salmon, we have our assorted bell pepper, and we're gonna have some avocado with it.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is like meal for two.
Okay.
Just pour the oil in. I'm gonna pour some oil in, not a lot. But I have to fry it, you know. I didn't want to fry it, I was gonna stick it in the oven. Yeah. But Jet want it fried, so I fry it. But we need more oil. You need a little bit more oil.
That's good.
That's good? Okay. He like his salmon bites fry, so we gonna fry it, okay? But you can put it in the oven to cook. You don't have to fry it. But that's a good quality Italian olive oil. And place the stove on medium. And I think when you put it in the oven, more healthier. Yeah. Just stick it in the oven. Okay. Yeah, let it just stay and fry. And just make it cook. Okay. Place your onion to the side to cook. And once it cooks, just mix everything together. I'm just removing the salmon. I'm going to place it in here. So I'm going to add the bell peppers and the peas. Just add the peas to the same pot. And add the bell peppers. And just let it cook. You know the pot have all that seasoning in here from the salmon. And you just let it stay and cook. You can cover it and just let it steam. Just cover it and let it steam. Now that the vegetable is steamed, just put it in the plate.
Wow, this looks delicious. Well, hey, y'all gotta try this. And it smells so nice. With how it's seasoned and everything, the bell peppers, the onion and the garlic. Yeah, you should be here. Ah. It is delicious. Hey, y'all gotta try this. This is delicious right here. You give this a try, I think you will like it. It's great.